didn't realise, this one's looking as if to say what's going on, that this one has decided that she's got a new toy, trying to pull the dead fruit tree out of the ground. You gotta love those two girls. I know I do. Now they're going for the blackberries. Girls! Hey! Good girls. Come on in. Do what you gotta do. Sit down. Good girl. Sit down. Good girl. Good morning from the girls. Have a good day.